Hi everybody, it's Nancy Kelly, and I'm gonna open this painting that my friend Karla in Bangkok did of me, and she just mailed it to me, and I thought you might get a kick out of opening it with me. Not sure how long it's gonna take. Oh boy.
All through the winter I sang down the summer, walking with the girls and put stuff up my nose. I played my guitar and folk in a bar. I had my fill of fires and Dylan.
Oh no, it's wrapped up even more.
Such a jazz woman.
It's scary. I don't want to,
I was hip, I was cool, no fool, wise to the guy.
I don't want to mess it up. Like with this knife. Oh. Oh boy. Look at this, she had it wound around this. I'll find something to do with that. Those of you that know me know I will find something to do with that.
Top 10, studied yoga and yen, ate natural foods, and I even took cruise. Went on the road just to loosen my load. Nothing I cried,
Thank you, Karla.
I haven't tried.
This is fantastic. Look at this. Yay. Thank you. I'm very flattered. Thank you. Thank you.